Hi there, this is Edwin Serrano, owner of Home Pros Painting, coming to you with another take a minute to get it topic. The older the house, the more likely you will have nail pops. The most important aspect in dealing with them is knowing the root cause. If you don't address the root cause, then they will just keep coming back. 4 common reasons for nail pops are: number 1, house moving or settling due to the ground under the foundation, commonly known as foundation issues. Number 2, the studs behind the walls shrink or warp over time. This can occur also with the roof truss, which could affect the ceilings. Number 3, physical blunt force, such as the banging of a hammer on the outside of the house when exterior repairs are being done or even roofing work. Number 4, improper installation of drywall, meaning not glued to studs or not enough screws or nails used. In most cases, repairing a nail pop will require resetting the nail or screw. This means that we may have to use spackle to fill the space left in the hole after resetting the nail or screw. If you have come across nail pops that are recurrent, then we may have to install 1 to 2 screws above and below the existing nail and then spackle. All of this repair does take time to complete. We have to wait for the spackle to dry before it gets sanded, and then we have to apply a primer on top of the spackle. That's why we charge a very nominal fee to fix these issues. One important thing is that we cannot warranty nail pop repairs because they can come back due to the previous reasons and not because of our workmanship. Once again, thanks for taking the time to watch this video and look forward to working with you on your next project.